Hi guys, this is Tanmay and you are watching Desi Girl in Chicago. To those who are watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. To those who are following me, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to talk about apartment hunting. Now, generally what happens is when you move to Chicago, when you move to America, your company gives you, let's say, 1 month stay in a rental apartment or in a hotel or something like that. And in that month, you have to find an apartment for yourself. Now, in Chicago or in America, there are two kinds of flats, if you must. जैसे इंडियन कंटेक्स में होता है जिसको हम फ्लैट बोलते हैं, वैसे दो प्रकार है यहाँ पे. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज अ रेंटल अपार्टमेंट विच कैन बी रिलेटेड टू, जिसको हम मराठी में चाळ बोलते हैं या हिंदी में चौल बोलते हैं. दैट कैन बी रिलेटेड टू दैट वेर इन द एंटायर बिल्डिंग इज ओन्ड बाय अ कंपनी. Okay, and you are only renting out an apartment in that company, from that company. You can never buy an apartment in that rental building. So पूरी की पूरी building rent out होती है and as a result you can only rent out an apartment there. Now that building is managed by that company. तो वहाँ का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वहाँ का ट्रैश, वाटर सप्लाई, वहाँ का इंटरनेट, ये सब कंपनी मैनेज करती है. कभी कभी कंपनी मैनेज करती है, कभी कभी यू हैव टू डू इट ऑन योर सेल्फ. एंड दैट इज अबाउट द rental apartments. Now rental apartments are preferable if you want everything to be managed by the company. The second type is condo, जो अपने फ्लैट सिस्टम से काफ़ी मिलता जुलता है. सो condos generally have apartments, individual flats, let's say flats, individual flats which are owned by individual persons. Now that person can rent out their flat to someone else. So usko condo bolte hain. So they don't say it flat in USA, they call it condo. So there is apartment and there is a condo. You have to decide what you want. When you talk about a condo, condo के नीचे generally एक doorman रहता है, एक receptionist type of person रहता है, and that person calls you when you have a parcel delivered, when you have guests coming to your house and that kind of stuff. That person will give you access or entry to the building. So this is called as a condo. Similar things also happen in a rental apartment. Sometimes there is a doorman, sometimes there is no doorman. Sometimes there you have the person जो नीचे आता है वो आपके नंबर की बेल बजाता है, तो आपको वो कॉल आंसर करना पड़ता है. एंड देन यू हैव टू ओपन द डोर फ्रॉम योर अपार्टमेंट. बट दैट बीइंग सेड, देयर इज नॉट एट सच मच डिफरेंस इनसाइड. अंदर की जो चीज़ें हैं वो सारी सेम होती है. जनरली यहाँ पे अपार्टमेंट्स अनफर्निश्ड होती है. कॉन्डोज डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ओनर, अगर उसको फर्निश्ड देना है तो फर्निश्ड दे सकते हैं, नहीं देना है तो वो अनफर्निश्ड होता है. सो जनरली इट इज condos are generally non-furnished. Sometimes they can be furnished. Apartments are 100% non-furnished. So the next part is what kind of fees are applicable. So the first kind of fees applicable is an application fees. कि आपको अगर कोई अपार्टमेंट, कोई कॉन्डो पसंद आता है, सो एवरी पर्सन हु लाइक्स दैट कॉन्डो और दैट अपार्टमेंट अप्लाइज. देर इज अ टेक्निकल एप्लीकेशन प्रोसीजर. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे पसंद आ गया और मैं वहाँ पे मूव इन कर लिया, नहीं. So you have to give an written application. With that you have to give around $50 to $100 application fees. Don't try to convert it. It will give a headache. Okay. And then you have to give in sometimes a move-in fees to the building. That is, even if it is a condo or even if it is an apartment, around $200 to $400 you have to give as a move-in fees. और उसके बाद when it is generally a condo के साथ ही ऐसा होता है कि when it is a condo you have to give a security deposit as well. Now we are as Indians are very accustomed to security deposits कि नहीं 30-40 हज़ार तो हम security deposit देते ही है. तो जनरली आपका 1 महीने का रेंट या 2 महीने का रेंट आपका सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट देते हैं कॉन्डोज में, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ओनर ऑफ द कॉन्डो. इट एंड जनरली व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट अपार्टमेंट्स, उसमें किसी प्रकार का सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट नहीं रहता. दे जनरली टेक इन द नॉन रिफंडेबल application fees as well as the non-refundable move-in charges. Around $200 to $400 move-in charges, $50 to $100 as application. Certain apartments also have a look and lease kind of option, जिसमें अगर आप वो अपार्टमेंट देखते हो, like you are viewing the apartment, you go for the viewing of an apartment and you say within 24 hours you decide that you want that apartment, and you pay the application fees and you pay the move-in charges and you pay the rental other kind of fees, तो जो मूव इन चार्जेस है वो आपको रिफंड हो जाते हैं इफ यू अग्री टू लीज दैट अपार्टमेंट विद इन द नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स ना. आपकी इट डजेंट मीन कि आप नेक्स्ट डे मूव इन करो, इट मीन्स कि आपने डिसाइड कर लिया है 24 आवर्स में कि मुझे ये अपार्टमेंट चाहिए, राइट. So when you say that I want to move in, say on the 1st of next month, but I have decided today that I want to move into this apartment, I am not looking for any other apartment, those $400 which come under the apartment fees, the move-in fees or any kind of other fees, those $400 are refunded to you as a part of your rent for your first month. Let us come to the most important part, how to look for an apartment. Now, if you want to look individually for an apartment, there are many apps. There is apartments.com, there is Hotpads, there is Zillow. जो बहुत सारे apps होते हैं वहाँ पे ये सारे details दिए हुए रहते हैं. Either it is an apartment or it is a condo, what is the move-in fees, what kind, how it is a 1 bedroom, it is a 2 bedroom. Generally they don't say 1 BHK, they say 1 bedroom. दे से अ स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट, जिसका मतलब है एक रूम रहता है, बड़ा खासा रूम रहता है, एंड देन देर इज अ किचन. सो देर इज 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, studio, what kind of apartment you want for renting, that is up to you. And you can search on these apps. There is another way as well, you can book an agent. Now the agent looks up for the apartments for you, he sends you options, you select options उसमें से, and then you set up a date for you viewing. So when you set up a date, you will set up an appointment for you viewing. आप जाते हो, वो आप अपार्टमेंट देखते हो, उसमें से व्यू क्या आ रहा है, वहाँ पे कोई बदबू तो नहीं आ रही, इज एवरीथिंग इन ऑर्डर, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स यू चेक. And after you have viewed that apartment properly, after you have said yes to that apartment, you fill an application form and fill the $50 to $100 application fees. And if the owner of the apartment, if the owner of the condo or the company that owns the apartment selects your application, you have to give a move-in fees and you have to maybe apply some apartment charges, application maybe some other kind of charges you have to fill up. And if there is a look and lease, if you decide within 24 hours, again those charges are inapplicable. Now when you say an unfurnished apartment or an unfurnished condo, it comes with a fully working kitchen. उसमें किचन का प्लेटफॉर्म रहता है, उसके नीचे कैबिनेट्स रहते हैं, ओवरहेड कैबिनेट्स रहते हैं, देन यू हैव योर फ्रिज, यू हैव योर ओवन, यू हैव योर माइक्रोवेव, यू हैव अ फुल्ली फंक्शनिंग गैस और coil there, depending on the date of that apartment was built. Now the apartment which were built before 1960s generally have a nice gas, which is preferable for us Indians. The apartments which were built after 1960s, which we consider or they consider here as newer apartments, those apartments have generally a heating coil or what you call as an induction. So उसमें जनरली अपनी फुलके नहीं सीखते, बट बाकी सब हो जाता है. दे ऑल्सो कम विथ क्लॉजेट्स. सो क्लॉजेट्स जब रहते हैं, सो दे आर जस्ट डोर्स एंड स्पेस आफ्टर इट. There are no shelves for it. You have to, and there is a hanger rod of course, so you have to get hangers for it. So आपके closets रहते हैं, आपका kitchen रहता है, तो आपको जनरली जो फर्नीचर लेके आना पड़ता है उसके साथ, तो दैट इज़ योर बेड, योर टीवी, सोफा सेट and nothing. Also डिश वॉशर इज इंक्लूडेड. सो आपके किचन में डिश वॉशर है, अवन है, माइक्रोवेव है, एंड गैस है, एज गैस और लेट्स से स्टव है, एज वेल एज फ्रिज. Oh, and some apartments don't have lights. सो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वहाँ पे लाइट का प्रोविजन है. दे जस्ट डोंट हैव लाइट्स. दे हैव लाइट्स इन द क्लोजेट्स, दे हैव लाइट्स इन द किचन एंड दे हैव लाइट्स इन द बाथरूम्स. बट यू हैव टू बाई योर ओन स्टैंडिंग लैम्प्स. ऐसा नहीं कि लाइट का प्रोविजन दे दिया, आपको बस बल्ब आके लगाना है. नो, दे डू नॉट हैव द प्रोविजन फॉर लाइट्स. दे हैव प्लेन clean ceiling without light or fan, and you have to buy your own lamps. You have to buy the standing lamps or table lamps, whichever kind of lamps you like. Let's talk about prices, the rent prices. जितना आप सिटी के अंदर रहोगे उतना आपको रेंट ज़्यादा होगा, जितना आप सिटी के बाहर जाओगे उतना रेंट कम होगा. इफ़ यू लिव directly in the city, in the downtown, the rent can be anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Do not try to convert it into rupees. And if you live somewhere around the edge of the city center where we are trying to live, we are trying to find an apartment, you get around 1,200 to 1,500 to let's say 1,800 for a one bedroom apartment. Again, the rate for 2,000 to 5,000, I was talking about one bedroom apartment. One of my friend is renting a $2,600 per month as a one bedroom apartment. I think it is a condo. I'll check. And if you move out of the city to the suburbs, the rent can be 1,300, 1,400 for a very big apartment. Rent kam nahi hota, the size of the rooms increases. You have big rooms for 1,300, 1,400 in the suburbs. Now, the one main problem of suburbs is there is no transport system. There is no government transport system from the suburbs. So you have to own a car. If you are in the suburbs, you have to own a car. If you don't want to own a car, live in the city where rent can be anything between 1,300 to 5,000. If you move inside the city, it is 5,000. If you live on the edge of the center of the city, it is around 1,500 on an average. The last thing we are going to talk about is scams. There are a lot of rental scams happening here. जैसे फेसबुक पे बहुत सारे पेजेस हैं जो आपको बोलेंगे कि वी टेल यू अबाउट अपार्टमेंट्स. देर आर सम गुड पेजेस एज वेल ऑन फेसबुक, बट ऑन सम मोस्ट ऑफ द पेजेस पीपल पोस्ट एड्स दैट वी हैव एन अपार्टमेंट एंड देन यू ट्राई टू कॉन्टैक्ट देम एंड दे विल टेल यू दैट वी हैव अ $50 व्यूइंग फीस. ओके, जस्ट अपार्टमेंट देखने के लिए $50 लगेंगे एंड देन दे विल रिफंड दैट अमाउंट टू यू आफ्टर यू हैव व्यूड द अपार्टमेंट और आफ्टर यू हैव सिलेक्टेड दैट अपार्टमेंट. Please do not fall for that scam. No one will ever ask you any kind of money just to view the apartment. Ever. Yes, application fees. Yes, rental fees. Yes, आपका move-in charges रहेगा, building fees रहेगा. But after you have selected that apartment, and they will tell you straightforward. And also you have to ask, are there any kind of other charges like move-in fees and anything like this. And sometimes condos के लिए आपका security deposit भी रहेगा. So that's about it. Everything you need to know about rents in Chicago, how to rent an apartment or a condo in Chicago, how to go about it. And I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, press the bell icon, tell your friends about me, and please wait for the next video. See ya.